In this question, we have two functions, f of x and g of y, in terms of x and y respectively, such that f of x is equal to g of y for all the real values of x and y. What does it imply? That whatever the value of x I randomly select from the set of real numbers and I put over here. Similarly, whatever the random value of y we are putting over here, both the functions will always give the same value, which means if I take f of 5 and here I take g of 1000, they'll be same. I'm taking f of minus infinity, g of plus infinity, they will again be same. Similarly, f of 0, g of 0 or anything, they will always be same. It is not necessary that we take the same parameter. Like here we had 0 and 0. Need not. 5 and 1000, they are still same. So what is it implying? Whatever x I take, whatever y I take, they're always same. So now let us say I'm taking f of a and f of b. Will these both be same? We cannot directly comment just by looking at f, but let us take some g of c as well. So now I can definitely say that f of a and g of c is same, because that is what is implying by this particular statement. Similarly, f of b and g of c will be same, and this ultimately implies that f of a and f of b will always be same for all a and b, which means f of x is a constant. Whatever x I take, it is always going to take the same value. And in the same way, if I have g of a, g of b and f of c, by the same logic I will say that this g is also a constant function. G of y is also a constant, and both of these constants are same. That is why for every x and for every y, they are always equal. So both of these are actually constant functions. Can we say that they are equal functions as well? Yes, because for every value, they are giving the same result, and that is a constant. So now let us check the options and see which of them suits the best. First one is saying f of x is 0, g of y is 0. Now this may not be true because the constant can be anything. What we actually have is f of x equal to g of y equal to some c. That c can be anything, it need not be 0. So this is incorrect. Next, this is what we have got. For every x, for every y, both the functions will always give the same constant value. That is true. Next, f is not constant, g is not constant. No, both of them are constant functions. Lastly, f plus g equal to f minus g. Okay, now let's visualize this one. It seems that it has to be true, but how actually it gets implied? See, this is what we have got. Now f plus g, what will it be? C plus c, and means 2 times the constant value, or you can say some other constant value, say k. And this f minus g, if both are the same constant function, then c minus c, it will give 0. So yes, now k is also a constant, 0 is also a constant, but both are different. Both the sides f plus g and f minus g are giving us constant values, but both the constants are different. So we cannot say that this is true as well. So we'll simply be going with the option B, because D was anyway, it was trying to be an implication of this B itself, and anyway that is incorrect. So we will definitely say that option B is the correct answer, and both of them are constant functions.